my God, look at the roof. We are so glad, guys. Hopefully by the time you see this, we have a new truck.
Yep. A single truck. It's a 2-for-1 deal. Just one last time. We need one time. Get to the city, baby. From the rural country. We got to make it one time. 2 hours. 2 hours. This is such a surreal moment. Because in a little bit, these cars are going to be no more.
We are right now getting ready to trade these cars in for the off-road Tacoma 4x4. So hopefully they make it. We've got a bunch of footage showing you guys basically.
He means we hope the truck makes it, because I'm stressing out because this guy hasn't been driven like that in a hot minute. So
yeah, so we're running on a prayer. So hopefully by the time you guys see this,
these will be gone.
These will be gone.
And key fact, I'm sure you'll see, we had a surprise this morning in the truck. We all were family teaming up cleaning the vehicles last night so we can go ahead and do our thing this morning, and had a beautiful surprise. Omen or sign? I don't know. Bad omen or sign. I'm gonna say sign too, but a mix. So we'll see. Let's go. Good morning, guys. So we've got some rather exciting news today. Very spur of the moment. I've never seen this before. What? It ate through the freaking... This was down, y'all. And I mean, this is sharp. I actually don't know what to say. I've never actually seen that happen before. So I just unhooked it. I'm either thinking that that's either a sign to get rid of the truck, or that's a bad omen, like the truck saying, hey, lady, you ain't parting with me, okay? So we'll see. One last time for good measure. It landed sideways, but it's got a lane. It almost fell off a cliff.
Oh, so she is stressing out.
Yeah, I'm kind of stressing because I'm hoping to God that we can... I hope that this truck makes it. Okay, this truck has been a lot of places, okay? I know it drives. It's one of those things, right? Well, just because, like I showed you earlier, the mirror, things stress me out. I get very stressed, easy. No doubt about it. But I am hoping and praying that we make it in this truck, y'all.
What do you think?
Check it out. Oh my goodness. Pretty little flow.
What do you think?
Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh. What do you think?
I think it is awesome. So,
all right, let's go say hey to our awesome salesman.
If you guys are looking for a vehicle, contact Chris Hatch. We will have his details in the description of the YouTube video.
Come see me.
Yeah.
He's the one that hooked us up. So excellent sales.
Let me help you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Y'all, we're in our new truck.
Yes.
Oh my God. There's the Gigi in there. She's waving. The Gigi, check out the G. Aww. Woo. We love our new truck so far. The AC is kicking. Oh. So nice.
Still in shock. I feel like it's real.
Definitely in shock. We're gonna have to get our little GoPro attachment where we can hang out all together in the car.
The night before we drove down to Houston to trade in our vehicles, my son was helping me clean out our old 2010 Honda Fit. He was quiet, just moving around the car, looking at everything like it was the last time. Then he stopped, glanced inside, and said, "I'm really gonna miss this one." That hit me. To most people, it's just an old hatchback, but to him, it was part of our story. Domino's pizza runs, Sunday drives, and all those deep talks we had while filming our little adventures together. He wasn't just saying goodbye to a car, he was saying goodbye to a chapter, and I understood because I'd lived it. When I was his age, my dad upgraded cars regularly. I remember how much I hated it. Each time a car left, it felt like a part of my childhood drove away with it. I never talked about it, but I never forgot it either. So I looked him in the eye and said, "I know what this feels like. I've been there. But this time it's different. We aren't just getting something newer. We're getting something that could take us further." That's why we chose the 2020 Tacoma 4-wheel drive off-road package. It's not the newest truck in 2025, but it's one of the most capable, and we needed that for the wild, muddy trails of the East Texas National Forest. When we pulled back into the driveway with the Tacoma, he came out, looked it over, climbed in and said, "I love it so much, it's nice." That's when I knew letting go of the Honda didn't mean leaving memories behind. It meant making space for even better ones.